Caleb's nose? Where's his nose? Show us where Caleb's nose is. Where's his nose, Adeline? Where is it? Oh, yeah! Oh, she wants your nose now. She wants it. Give it to her now. Give her nose. I know it. He won't give you his nose. I'll spank him. I'll spank him, Adeline.
No.
No. Bad Caleb won't give you his nose. Bad Caleb.
Bad Adeline.
Oh, she said, oh, spanking her. Uh-oh, here she comes to be mean. Watch out. All right, I'm taping you. Be mean to me. Go ahead.